And we cut across to breaking inputs coming in. The DRDO is going to set up 500 medical oxygen plants within 3 months. This is under the PM CARES Fund. The medical oxygen plant technology developed by DRDO for on-board oxygen generation for light combat aircraft, Tejas, will now help in fighting the current crisis of oxygen for the COVID-19 patients. This is a massive plan that the DRDO is coming up with to set up hospitals. It is a plan where 500 medical oxygen plants will be set up within the next 3 months. This is under the PM CARES Fund. Getting you more details, my colleague Madhurima will be joining us very shortly. The medical oxygen plant technology developed by DRDO for on-board oxygen generation for light combat aircraft Tejas will now help in fighting the current crisis of oxygen for the COVID-19 patients. And as it gives us an understanding that this will be mobile oxygen that will now be available with the Indian Air Force. If I'm getting that right, Madhurima will be able to clarify the same as she's with us on the phone line. Madhurima, explain to us how this technology works and what is the plan of the DRDO. Alright, we may have lost that audio line with Madhurima. We'll try and reconnect with her, but this is the big breaking news coming in at this point, as the DRDO is all set to implement 500 medical oxygen plants within 3 months, and this is happening under the PM CARES Fund. But important to mention what this technology is. This is the medical oxygen plant technology that has been developed by DRDO. This is for onboard oxygen generation for light combat aircraft Tejas. Madhurima is back with us. Madhurima, help us understand more about this technology. Does this also mean that this will be mobile oxygen that the Indian Air Force will be able to provide? And what is the plan of DRDO in this?
Well, once again, the DRDO has come up to battle the coronavirus, and this time they are going to set up 500 medical oxygen plants within the time of just 3 months using the PM CARES Fund. This particular oxygen plant technology that is being developed by the DRDO is for on-board oxygen generation for light combat aircraft like Tejas, and now will be helping in fighting the current crisis of the oxygen. Now, this entire project that has been taken up by the DRDO is to combat the crisis of oxygen that the entire country and specifically the national capital is facing, and looking at this particular initiative.
Alright, Madhurima there, who was getting us all the details. We may have lost that audio line yet again, but for the moment we leave it at that. Go back to Madhurima in a short while. More breaking news coming in. And under the aegis of the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, fertilizer companies are all set to supply 50 metric tons medical oxygen per day. This is for COVID-19 patients. If